me about yourself and current project, what you are currently doing.
Yes. First of all, I would like to thanks for giving this opportunity. So myself, Chakrada, I have overall 3+ years of IT experience in ServiceNow as admin and development.
Five
I
plus.
have worked for the service catalogs, flow designer, and HRSD module and integration. Coming to my roles and responsibilities, developing business rules, scripting includes client script, UI policies, data policies, then creating custom tables, fields, forms, and lists, and developing service request management solutions. I have experiencing in requirement gathering from stakeholders and implement the solutions as per the best practices in ServiceNow. Worked on agile methodology each sprint 2 weeks, and I am good at writing JavaScript by using client and server side APIs, and currently exploring integration more integration part.
Okay, nice. You have a experience with the three plus with both admin and development, or only the admin
No, development only.
development. So you want to okay, and you have a experience with ITSM, CSM, which are models you have mentioned.
Yeah, yes, yes. I have worked on ITSM HRSD module.
Two models only.
Yeah, two modules.
Okay. So you already work on ITSM and HRSD as a developer, right?
Yes, 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 sure, yes.
So current role which is for which what is your day to day active work like activities?
Yeah, my day-to-day activities actually actually we assign stories to under our queue. So those stories contains we have in each stories we have there is points, they include the points, so this many hours we need to work. So in that the requirement is like creating doing integration,
Okay.
data source integration, and
Okay.
another one is scripted REST API integration.
Mm-hmm.
We are moving content from one application to ServiceNow application.
Mm-hmm.
And also I worked mm, creating the workflow. Workflow means whenever a user is submitting the request,
Mm-hmm.
under the request RATMs will create. So those RATMs will like work for publishing the content publishing. The authors will create the content, and they will publish the content. So once they will publish, the content will visible on the portal.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you are working completely for a developer role, and done with the scripting and core development, or just only the like IR development, like kind of adding the creating a catalog form, adding the UI policies, these kind of, or you're going with depth into completely coding, like server scripting, cloud script, these things, business rule, client script. Those are all you regularly doing, or just only for the like higher level minor development activities? Fine. So currently you are working as a developer, right? Admin come developer,
Yeah,
or
yes.
only the development?
Only development.
Okay, so in that in the current activities, you are completely doing your core development or minor development, like including UI policy validation and these like creating a catalogs, a form level validation, customization with the using the out of box feature. Those things you are doing, or core development like include script, include client script, business rule, background script. Those things you are doing.
Yeah, I will tell you. So far, what I did here means
Mhm.
uh, I created pages for like we have portal development, right? So for the portal development,
Mm.
we need
Mm.
pages,
Pages.
topics, widget instances.
Yeah.
Yeah, those I created. The pages I created through scripting, background script.
Okay.
So I used both background script and feature scripts. With the help of this, I
Mhm,
created the pages,
mhm,
widget instance. So
mhm,
these things for portal development team,
mhm.
and uh, I done SFTP integration.
Okay.
Uh, in SFTP server, there is a CSV file. In that CSV files contains users data means notification count, users notification count.
Mhm.
So those data, those Excel sheet, those CSV data, I need to bring to the service now. So here I did this through data source schedule import set.
Mhm.
So by the in the data source, I configured the SFTP server by giving username and password. Then I created the transform maps. To the transform maps, I did the uh, field maps with the CSV file fields and ServiceNow table fields.
Okay, that I understood.
Then
Okay, no problem.
I have worked for the scripted STPA integration.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah, fine, fine. Uh, why are you looking for a change?
because the thing is, as a development, I can't so uh, yeah, but personal life balance is missing.
Mhm.
So that's the main reason I'm planning to the QA role.
Okay, what type of role you are looking for? Because in the QA also, if you are more into development, there will be multiple opportunities. Like tester is different, QA is different, and developer is different. That you know, right? We have a QA. Initially, it will become as a service now tester. Then after that, QA completely quality analyst, quality engineering. Then it will go based on your level of understanding, based on your level of automation
Okay.
knowledge. It will go automation engineer. Those
Yeah.
automation engineer will
Mm.
utilize with the scripts and
Yeah,
all.
that
Yeah.
I know.
So these are all you already know, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So have you attended any interview recently related to ServiceNow testing, or you might?
Attended the testing.
Mhm.
I attended for development interviews only.
Okay. So what will be the answer for your if you are try to attend an interview for ServiceNow testing, or if you get a chance to work on ServiceNow testing, what's your answer for that?
Mm.
The reason. Because thing is, you already work on a
Mm.
developer, then now you are shifting to testing, and usually companies will not
Yeah.
directly accept it. That you understand, know already, right? And also the
Yes.
development perspective is different and testing perspective is different. As a QA, you have to do more analysis, and with a different perspective. Developer do
Okay.
only as a developer you do only one time of unit testing. Usually you will do, right?
Yes.
But a
Yes.
tester
Yes.
will
Yes.
not do the one time testing. He will do the multiple
Yes.
time with the multiple scenarios with a different perspective.
Yes.
So have
Mm.
you not attended any interview with the service now testing, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me the ratings of your skills related to out of 10 for the skills client script?
Mm. Client scripts.
Yeah.
Yeah, client scripts. Actually, uh,
No, no.
there are
Rate
four
it to
types of
yourself.
rating. Okay.
Yeah.
The scripting part, as per the development perspective, out of 10, I can give 7.
Business rule.
With this role, the testing role, like I don't have real time experience, right?
Mhm.
But I know the like regression testing, mm, smoke testing, sanity testing.
Mhm.
Like I was worked with the tester team, but not as a testing. I didn't work on. So
Okay.
currently also they are like doing that. They are raising the defects on which I have worked to development. So
Mhm.
currently I am resolving and doing the unit testing, and they are testing. So I'm closely working with testing team.
Okay. Script includes
Yeah, script include, I can give that, as a development perspective, I can give 7.
flow designer,
Flow designer, yeah, 6, 7.
integration, REST or SOAP.
Integration, REST, scripted REST API. Also, currently, I was worked in that scripted REST API only. So through that, I was like importing news articles,
Mhm,
events, applications,
mhm.
favorites. So these things I migrated one from one portal to ServiceNow portal.
Okay. HRSD model.
HRSD module. So currently, the mainly I'm working on HRSD module only. So
Mhm,
here in HRSD module, same like mostly I worked on content publishing tables. In
mhm,
HRSD, as of now, I'm working in content publishing tables. Then creating the record producers.
mhm.
For that record producer, once the record producer is submitted, content request will create. Under the content request, two other teams will create. So I can give the rating as a development perspective 7.
Okay. ITSM and JavaScript.
ITSM and JavaScript I can give 8.
Okay. So you already work with the ServiceNow development, and you have already worked with closely with the tester. But
Yeah.
the thing is, that is not a matter. Like if you are working with a tester, or if you closely work with, because tester will do the different testing, and every time you are not following the tester, right? Because the thing is, you resolve the defect and you fix the defect, and after the tester will do the testing. But you
Okay.
don't know complete what tester will do, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Again
yeah.
they will
Yes.
come back with a defect. It is completely not fixed yet, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes.
regression and whatever the functionality and end-to-end testing, everything depends on the tester only. Okay.
Yes.
So what you are expecting in the testing perspective, like why mainly you required to continue in this particular service now QA journey?
Mm, okay. See, the one of the main reason is due to here no work-life balance.
Oh,
Currently, I'm facing in the project,
okay.
and another one reason is so mostly I worked as development, right? So I was touched in all concepts. Like I know the functionality of each and every concepts. Uh, so and also the I was like trained on normal application testing. Like I just take course on Selenium WebDriver. This training I was taken, and so yeah. So according to this experience, I'm planning to move to testing side.
Okay. So what's your strength in that?
Hmm.
Why we need to take as a service now tester, because you are already developer.
Yes. Yeah, the one main reason is work-life balance, and also the service now is like now growing very fast. Like we need to there are multiple modules are there in the service now,
Mhm.
and we need to like mm, always like get to know the new concepts, new things every time.
Even the developer also can also work on different models and new concept, right? Mainly
Yeah.
more into comparatively tester, developer will do the more technical skills, and they will have multiple skills and also with the technologies, and everything it in the correct market value as per the they're required to go and learn everything, right? Not only tester only.
Yes. Yes, yes, in the yeah, definitely. As a tester, also they need to upskill and they need to do more things than developer.
Mhm.
But in the story, so once in the story, the acceptance criteria, like we can see the acceptance criteria. There's available. Uh, what it should be about the requirement story.
Mhm.
Mm,
Okay. See, totally you are already fixed to move to service now testing.
mm.
So what kind of help you required from this channel?
uh, and I need assistance on interview perspective,
Okay.
like attending the one is first thing that is the main priority,
Mm-hmm.
uh, attending the interviews and
Okay.
how to like deliver the answers, how to presenting the interviews as a tester with
Okay.
with around 4 years of experience.
Okay. But thing is, if you are already experienced with the 4 plus years, considering around 4 years, correct? Because your current
Yeah.
experience is around 4 years, not into three.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And you are expecting the 4 years of experience service on testing. Do you are you confident with the same? Did they give an opportunity to work on the particular service now testing with the 4 years of experience? Do
Yes,
you
definitely.
do you
Yes, I have
aware?
a.
Yeah. Do you aware what kind of question, what kind of challenges they are facing during as a 4 years of experience person as a QA?
Uh, Not aware, but I have a confidence to like to learn like these things. I need to cover around 4 years of experience. I need to show right 4 years of experience.
Mhm. Do you have any
So
experience with the software testing?
no, a real time experience I don't have, but yeah, I was trained. That's it.
You
But
said
real time
something Selenium or something. What is that?
Selenium web driver
Yeah. Do you know the
with Java.
Selenium? Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm?
Do you know the Selenium completely?
Completely not. Like now, mostly whatever the trainer has trained in that course.
Mhm.
Yeah, I was good in that.
What's your strength in the testing?
Okay. Mm-hmm. Strength. Uh, I don't know how to tell.
Okay. So, do you aware of the types of testing and the complete functionality? Why even where we do the testing?
Yes.
What is the difference between functional and non-functional testing?
Functional functional testing like it is system testing,
Mhm.
and non-functional testing means
Yeah, tell me.
I can't deliver how to say functional non-functional.
Okay. If you consider any product, functional testing verifies the product, that product what it is supposed to do. Okay. Non-functional testing means
Okay.
the product what how it is performs after it is going to. Okay. What it is supposed to do means what you need to do that we need to validate in the functional testing. It will come under the integration in unit testing, system testing, regression testing, and database testing. These all will come under the functional testing. Okay. And
Okay.
non-functional testing it will include performance, loading, stress, and volume testing and scalability testing. Okay. So
Okay.
clearly understand one thing. Functional means what's supposed to do. The product what's supposed to do. That we need to validate. Non-functional means how that product performs.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah. Yeah. Do you have any more questions before we conclude the call?
No questions.
Okay. See, as per the discussion, what we have observed, the thing is, you already know that ServiceNow development, okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
But the development is prospect is different and prospect is different, okay? First, you go
Okay.
through the complete testing perspective, types of testing, and why testing is required, and what are the types of testing when we are do the testing, okay?
Okay.
Go with
Okay.
the basics of testing, and they are expecting mainly, okay?
Okay.
During the
Okay.
interview, they are mainly expecting the types of testing, what are the types of testing, why it is required when we perform this testing, when we perform the unit testing, when we do the smoke testing, when we do the sanity testing. Those are all you need to understand when okay. and
mm,
you already know about the development perspective. If you someone is asking why you are looking for what is your strength in the testing perspective, why we hire for this particular role. If you are if they are asking the question, you can directly say, yeah, I already know about the development, I already know the structure of the ITSM model, and I know the development perspective, and I can clearly understand the development perspective, so it
okay,
helps me to clearly do the testing as well.
okay,
Okay, and before you do given the interview, you
mm,
start learning on the testing perspective. What are the testing we need to learn, and what are the types of testing, and why it is required. And you should know the complete testing strategies, test cases, written cases, everything you need to know. Basic, those are the basics of tester.
yeah,
Okay,
yes, yes,
once
yes,
you clear with all the things, then you can start with the giving interviews, and you can start time. And you need to update in your test resume as well, like what are the testing you done in the previous. Okay,
okay,
only if you are
okay,
putting in your resume as a developer, it will
mm,
not work. Okay,
yeah,
if you are getting a chance to internally to move to service now development to tester, it is your great. Okay, but
okay,
if you are trying to outside the tester role, it is very
mm,
difficult to find it out, because the usually companies will not give the directly developer to tester role
okay,
without experience. They are expecting experience with in-hand experience. Okay,
okay,
quality is depend on the production. Okay,
yeah,
production, everything, production, whatever that up and downs, it will be depend on the quality. And quality, when before we do the testing, without doing a
mm,
complete quality analysis, quality
yeah,
QA, so it will not work any of the production. So
okay,
everything it depends on quality, and we should be do with our work with very careful and very clear. It should be clarified with the technically, and we should be clear with all the things analysis and everything. Okay, so in that
okay,
case, as a tester, you need to think different thing and different perspective, and also you need to do all the types of testing. You need to do the multiple types of testing. You need to do regression, multiple time of regression testing, and also you need to do negative testing as well. So
okay,
in that case, it will be the number of scenarios it will come. It depends on your project. Everything it depends on your project. Keep it in
mm,
mind.
okay,
Everything it is depends on your project.
okay,
And in ServiceNow, it's a
mm,
advantage is you don't need to write more code on the ServiceNow automation purpose.
mm,
But companies are expected automation. Okay,
okay.
keep it in mind. Companies are expecting both automation and manual testing. Do you have experience with the automation testing? Have you done with
Uh,
any automation testing service now ATM?
yes, currently I'm planning to learn ATF, creating a test scripts, test suits.
It
Yeah,
might
those.
be it might be
Mm.
very useful. It might be very easy for you because you already developer
Yeah,
and you
yeah,
already
yeah.
know about aware of that. So
Yes.
start learning on the basics of ServiceNow ATM, basics of testing type, testing and testing perspective, and
Mm.
all the types of testing, and when we
Okay.
are need to supposed to do, and what we need to validate, when how to validate for every, if you considering one single catalog form, how we need to validate, on what we need to plan, and what is the action we need to take before doing the testing. Once we find any defects and all, how we need to communicate. It depends, everything we need to understand, particularly those are things how you deliver the quality. So this thing we need to first understand completely. Then you need to start with the given interview. Then you will get a chance.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm. Okay.
So start learning on the basics of testing and testing types, even if it is a software testing or normal service now testing. All are the same related only. Thing is,
Okay.
you have an advantage is you don't have more coding on the service automation part in the service now. Okay,
Okay.
we have
Okay.
a we are using the out of the box feature. So in that
Mm.
only we are creating a test cases and whatever
Yeah.
in the automation part. Okay, we mainly usually we more number of 70 to 80% we completely done with the out of the
Mm.
box features,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So that is the one advantage, and it is very grateful for the service now tester. And if you are
Mm.
already aware of that, you just try to brush up all the things, and you can start giving the interview. Okay,
Okay.
and try to make it changes in your resume, and also update whatever the testing you know about the testing related. You, if you have any experience either in a UAT, if you are done with any UAT testing, or if you are done with the unit testing is a common thing. It's not like every developer will do that. It's their responsibility. But as a tester, what you do, they are expecting the same thing. Okay.
Okay.
So initially, they might give you the tester role, after that QA role. Okay. Tester is like just
Okay.
you need to validate what are the requirement as per that, and quality analyst
Okay.
completely depends on the requirement and depends on the company. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So you start focusing on the testing types, and based on the understanding what you know already, and try to
Okay.
brush up all the things, and also try to learn the types of testing, and also, and you can start with the testing with the out of the box whatever we have in a service now instance, right? We have a, you have a PDI, right? In that PDI, you try to how to validate. I think you already know about the testing perspective. Then you try to different types of testing in the using the current existing catalog forms, and just validate, and also try to learn writing the test cases. Okay. It will
Okay.
not take much time to understand those things, and once you clear with that, you come back us, and then we will take one more round of one round of QA mock interview. Then
Okay.
we'll share the same thing, and make it resume clearly, and point it out, highlight your testing mainly. Okay.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
Okay. Related to testing, you need to highlight in your resume, means not means bold word. Highlight means not a bold word. Okay. Just
Hmm.
point you need to highlight, add up highlight points with the related to testing. Okay.
Okay. Like, can you provide the? Can you like? Can you teach me ATF and these things related to testings? Can you like every day, uh, 1 hour?
Currently, I'm not doing any course section, just only for mock interview section currently.
Okay. Okay.
Once we completely with the target, like 1,000 subscriber, then we start with the giving courses, and we go with the one-on-one guidance support for any queries or any related things.
Okay. Is there like institute or only as of now doing on online?
It is in online only. It's not institute. It's personal from the perspective of ServiceNow tester. Because as I have observed, there is no particular channel for the ServiceNow tester related to if you are facing some issues related to testing, and if you are facing some challenges during interview.
Hmm.
So I have observed there is no channel in that particular.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so
Yes.
that's the reason I we just started this one for the only for the ServiceNow tester people, those who are
Okay.
aspiring, those who are already experienced.
Okay.
Because what I have faced during my tenure in the
Hmm.
my last experience, those are
Ah.
all, it will be helpful for people who are expecting to become a QA.
Okay.
Do you have
Hmm.
any question?
Uh, yeah, can you like curriculum or course curriculum, like how I need to follow up, how I need, can you send me the course curriculum details, first what I need to start, what I need to study, then any other documents, and mock interview questions,
Yeah, I
can
will
you
try to. I
detail
will try to
this?
figure it out, and I will give the like complete structure. What will you need to follow the basics of things, and related to questions, you can directly try with the. You just go with my channel videos only, because it's
Oh,
completely involved all the questions and all the basics as well. And
okay.
you just go, and if you are not able to clear with the answer, just write down the question and explore on the topics.
Okay.
Okay, explore on particular topic, mainly ITSM basics. Okay, ITSM basic testing types basics, those are all mainly expected. Okay, if you are if the role is if you have experience with service now testing 3 plus or 4 plus experience, in companies they expected more. They are
Yeah,
expecting is a different thing. Okay,
yeah,
but now
currently,
you are in a initial level, and yeah, it's not a part of your development experience. Okay, so now you need to focus on as a tester, and you are in the initial stage. Okay, keep it in mind, you are in the initial stage, and you are still learner and about the service now testing. Okay, based on that, you start learning and focusing on this your interview. surely you will get. And once you are getting a in-hand experience, you can add it into your total experience. It will not affect it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Everything depends on your performance and how you are managing all those
Mhm.
things. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you have any questions?